Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's live stream. You can hit that like button and also turn on the notification. So, good morning, Masharia. Good morning, Duncan. Good morning, Mike. I say also Sponjumpola. Good morning. Okay, so we can start with the live stream. Yesterday we were unable to do the live stream since my laptop was switching off. And if you have any question, you can type on the comment section. Areki, good morning. Travis Ken, I can see most of you have joined the live stream. Let's hit more than 20 people before we start the official live stream. You can type on the comment, ask me any question regarding Forex, any analysis, any pair you're looking for to trade. And remember that this is now not tumerudi trading since we stopped trading last month on 20th. We stopped was on 19th last month. So coming back on trading, so you have to come and pick up with the trend the market is the trend the market is trading with. So you have to go slowly until you catch up with the market and understand where the market is heading to, since we have not checked the market since last month. Okay. Dema Bikers, how are you? Wanjiro Wagondu. Okay, good. Thank you guys for joining. And those watching me on live on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can search me as Dr. Forex, and that's where you can be able to see the live stream and the analysis I'm doing. So I'll go directly and share the live stream while I share the screen. Also, the first thing, yesterday we checked about the news. So I don't think today we have any news, but I'll still check and show you. Okay, so this is Forex Factory. Today is on Tuesday, 7th January 2024. We don't have any. We have 10 that we have CPI or CHF. Okay, to talk about. So you have CPI, CHF, and also news gani jioni. Jioni tuko na job opening 6 p.m. Okay, so we just focus on this CHF CPI. This one will have a high impact on the market. Okay, so we can go directly to start our analysis. In the pairs we normally check. Our first pair has been always this been Euro card, GBP card. Is there any other pair? Let me scroll down the watch list. If you don't have any pair which is your favorite and you can't see it on a watch list, you can request me to add it. I'm reading through the comment. I can see we have Euro card, G card, US oil, Euro JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, Euro AUD, NZD card, card JPY. And those are our favorite pairs, the ones we normally trade. GBP JPY, Bitcoin, AUD USD, AUD CHF, USD card, NAS, German 40, US 30, AUD JPY, Euro CHF. Euro CHF inakwanga ya kwanza huku juu. Inafaa irudi huku juu. Tutengeneza hii list yetu. So, tengeneza hii list yetu venye inakwanga. So, Euro CHF inakwanga hapo, Euro card inafuata na G card. US oil inakwanga huku chini. So, this is how I arrange my watch list. So inakwanga hapa kina oil, and then akina GBP, JPY na GBP CHF zote zinafaa zikuwe mahali pamoja, zimefuatana hapa chini. GJ, Euro JPY and USD JPY zinafaa zikuwe pamoja. Then Euro USD, GBP USD zinafaa zikuwe pamoja, and NZD USD. So ndo tumerudi trading, so I'm arranging the watches. So if I don't put any pair yenye unapenda, just recommend me niongeze. So this NZD USD, Euro USD, GU iko wapi? This GU, NZD USD, Euro USD, GU, Euro AUD. Euro AUD imefuata hapo, NZD card, card JPY inafaa iko hapo. GBP CHF zinafaa ziko hapo. NZD CHF inafaa iko chini ya kina JPY, nikimalizana na JPY. USD card inafaa iko huku juu. AUD inafaa iko hapa chini ya kina card, AUD card. Okay, so that's how the watch list yangu inakaa. So you can comment GBP USD iko hapo. So which pair are you looking for to trade this year or the first quarter? Because we'll be trading like in a quarter where, like, you know, quarter of an year ni hadi mwezi wa ngapi? Comment on the comment below. Quarter of an year ni hadi mwezi wa ngapi? Half the year ni mwezi wa sita. So mwezi wa sita, mwezi wa tatu. So tutakuwa na trade like January, February, and March. We see what is there any progress we are doing, and then we can do a review of what we normally do the analysis. So this is what we have been doing the previous month. I believe this one has been working. You can comment below if you believe that this one has been working since we started the analysis back on November. And the pairs that I will be focusing really putting more energy on and I'll be putting more focus on is the GPP card, AUD, is GPP card, Euro AUD. Is Euro AUD is another one. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa zinatupea very good pip movement. Yeah. Euro AUD is GPP card and Euro AUD. Acha ikuje hii, allow this one to come up. These are very top tier pair yetu. So it is the pairs will be focused on zero card, GPP card, Euro AUD. And one thing you have to know is the Euro AUD and GPP card, they have a high pip value, and also GBP JPY and USDCHF. Na sijaona ni USDCHF sijaiongeza hapo kwa watchlist yangu. Iko hapa inafaa ikuje huku juu. So those are the top tiers zitakuwa zina carry the flag yetu for the next 3 months. Iko hapi USDCHF nafaa niongeze hapa. Juu ya USDC NZD. Okay. Which and USD card, also USD card zimekuwa poa sana. Ilikuwa poa sana toward the end of last year. Na inakufa iko hapo, and also AUDSD no, it's not a fair sitai focus sana, but I'll still be watching it. I think na watch list yetu iko sawa hivyo. Nimejua pia zote ziko hapo. So I know ninaanza na kina Euro CHF na Euro card na GPP card, na ingia kina Euro AUD, GJs, and then end at the USD pairs, and then I finalize my analysis. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Note that Sai, we are trying to catch up with the movement of the market. So for the next like 3 to 4 days, between to do analysis and going slow in the market until we catch up the full movement or where the market is really heading to. Okay, if you have any question, what about Euro GBP? Euro GBP, I didn't like it. You know, kama mnakumbuka last year tulikuwa tunatrade Euro GBP, ilikuwa na range sana. Iko wapi? Iko kwa watch list. Yeah, sijaipenda sana. You see the range? You can see the screen. So for those one watching me on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. That's how you can be able to see the analysis. So you can see this range in sikuipenda sana and then remember, even let's go on weekly, utaona the range yenye imekuwa. The reason mbona sipeani sijasema that Euro GBP itakuwa ni Crich anajiita nani? Crich na Maruza. This is the reason why. So when you're choosing pairs, angalia pair yenye una trade, like pairs unataka focus on, are they giving you good movement? Because in Forex is not about market kupanda. Regardless of market kupanda ama kushuka, we can be able to make money. But in either way, the market has to make movement. So if the market is ranging, sipendi market is na range mahali pamoja. That's why tunaona nikisema Euro GBP won't be one of my biggest watch list this year. So any other pair, mwingine anaulizia any other pair. Bitcoin is at 101. Hey. Okay, so let's start with our analysis. So I know this analysis itakuwa mrefu kwanza leo hadi the next 2 days, because tunafanya long analysis until we catch up with the market. So those watching me on YouTube, no, on TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. I'll have to now switch off the live stream here at TikTok. Yeah, bye. Okay. So this is Euro CHF. So I'm reading through the comment now. You have to make back YouTube. Can be able to read through. So remove trends. So this is on weekly, on a monthly time frame. Let's go on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Euro CHF approached, and also you can comment below the correlation between Euro CHF and other pairs. The pairs that Euro CHF in a correlate nazo. Yeah. So this is on weekly time frame. The market approached a very major zone, because this is the lowest I think the market may fika. This is the low best. Yeah. This is on monthly time frame. Unable to break that area. Coming back to weekly. The correlation between Euro CHF na pair ingine na correlate now. I need more answers, guys. And I see on a weekly time frame, the market was trading on a bearish movement, and now the market has rejected from a major support. And now, as I see, there's a breakout of a trend line. There has been a trend line which was dropping down on a weekly time frame. Coming back today. So on weekly time frame, let's mark the previous week high and the previous week low kwanza. The liquidity levels. That's the previous week high. and also you can mark the previous week low. Guys, mnanisikia? Euro USD ko nitaangalia kama nimeweka kwa watch list. Come back to daily. That's on weekly time frame. Coming back to daily. Okay. So okay. So this is on daily time frame. These lines indicate this is a major zone on a week, not a month, on a monthly time frame. Yenye unaona nimeweka hii line this box, and then coming back on a daily time frame, these lines indicate the previous week high and the previous week low. So currently the market it's approaching the previous week high. Okay, this is on a daily time frame. Okay. So size sitaweza kumark, sita mark. There's no need of me marking now kukuja kumarkia the previous day high. Kumarkia the previous day high. Niko nimemark hizo week high and low. There's something I'm observing. Okay, coming back to 4 hours. Okay. So for me, I can see this market is on a bullish trend. And the reason why I can tell you about this market being on a bullish is these are the reason why. There's a breakout of a trend line. You can clearly see on a weekly. No, on a monthly, the market imefika to a zone. So imefika to a zone, which is a very, very key zone area. Market imeshindwa ku break. And it's rejecting from that zone. Unaona nimefanya some sort of rejections. Okay. Coming back to the weekly, nimewambia on a weekly, the market has broken the trend line and then it has retested. Nitaimark your trend line on a 4 hours here. Coming back to daily, coming back to 4 hours, you can type down the question kama uko na any question. Coming back to 4 hours, I can see the market imeobey the order block. After obeying the order block, and then this is the area yenye naambia imebreak trend line na imefanya retest. This is the area we are saying the market has broken. Hi, how are you? Kwa sana, karibu. So this market is indicating that the market is on a bullish trend. Okay, so how are you going to approach this market or if this market is on a bullish trend? So these are the key areas. Remember, this line is on the previous week high, and this is the previous day high. So okay, E line nimeweka hapa, this is the previous day high, and this is the previous week high. So this is how I'm going to approach this market. So I wait for this market to come all the way here and do a breakout, and then you can have a retest, and then I can have another entry. So we are going to experience something like this: a breakout, a retest, and then we continue buying. So our re-entry on buying zone will be after the market has broken this area, because turning this market on a line chart, this is the area I want the market to break out again, and then have, so as it can really confirm for us that the market is really trying to go bullish. One thing, we have a confirmation of a breakout of a trend line, and then we have a retest, and then now after having a breakout and a retest, now we could have had another entry here, but now we missed this entry because we were not in the market. Now we are back to the market, and we are waiting for this market to do a breakout of this zone. This is a zone that I'm waiting for this market to break, this one, and then we have a breakout and a retest, and then we can have an entry. So that's the view on Eurocard. No, it's not Eurocard, it's Euro CHF. Okay, any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, let's go to the next pair. I see change of character too. Oh, failure swing. There's failure swing and change of character. There's Travis Ken anasema, I see failure swing. Yeah, there's this failure swing in ya bearish inakaa hivi. Let me show you. This is what we call a failure swing, and then a change of character, and then a retest. This is the same thing that is happening here. Nikiweza chukua hii drawing niilete hapa, this is the same thing is happening here. Yeah. So you can go to the next pair. So that's the view on Euro CHF, Euro card. Let's start on a monthly time frame. So you have to remove all the drawings. And then nimeuliza swali, nobody amenijibu. Nimeuliza on Euro CHF ina correlate na which pair? Euro CHF ina correlate na which pair? Ina positively correlate na which pair? So I need want to see the answers pia hapo. So this is on a monthly time frame. At time this is a flag. This is a bullish flag. You see this one. This is a bullish ranging flag. We have a very impulsive movement from the downside, and then the market was rejecting from a very major liquidity area, and then you can see, and then we have this bullish flag. So the market in Akaivi currently, this is on a monthly time frame, but in monthly ni mrefu sana. So you can't have our entries on a monthly time frame. So let's narrow down all the way to the lower time frame. So I could be able to mark the previous month high and the previous month low. That's the previous month high. Na kama upati the way I'm marking the previous month high is the second candlestick from where the market equals. So the previous month high and the previous month low. That's why you can be able to mark the second candlestick of the market. And then we have the weekly. This on a weekly. The areas on yenyewe ni hapo. This is on monthly. So tumerudi weekly time frame. Coming back on a weekly time frame. Is there any structures of where we can see where the market is really heading to? You have this order block here. Market will be here order block, and then coming back to daily time frame. This is on a daily time frame. Previous day high. Honestly, I can see on a higher time frame, I can see this market is on a bullish trend. But coming back to daily time frame, this market is on a ranging time frame. It's ranging. I can be able to see the clear direction where the market is really heading to. You compare like the market wants to head to go bullish or bearish. But on a week monthly time frame, it's give me high confidence of them this market being a bullish. So you can clearly see this bullish movement and this ranging giving us a bullish flag. So expect more buys on this zero card on a monthly. But coming back on daily time frame, the market is really ranging. So you can be able to really figure out where are we going to have an entry unless we mark our zones and give it more time this market to materialize. So coming back on daily, I'll still mark the previous day high and the previous day low. Day high and then previous day low. Coming back to 4 hours, no order block, no nothing. But this market on a higher time frame is giving me much confidence of a bullish trend. Euro CHF has a positive correlation with GBP, JPY, Euro JPY. Really, we still tutaangalia tuone iko na positive correlation na which pair. So coming back on a 4 hours, what normally happens is if you analyze a pair and you don't have any view, just mark your key zone until you figure out everything and see where the market is really heading to. In such a scenario, there's one thing I'm noting. Coming back to 4 hours, we know we are day traders. We can really focus really high, depend on a monthly time frame because yes, on a monthly time frame, you can clearly see this market is on it's on an uptrend, but it's ranging on a monthly time frame. Do you know how many months are these? Since 2023, this market actually since 2023, this market has been ranging on a monthly. Yes, we can really depend on it since it's on a higher time frame. Coming back to daily time frame, our daily time frame on where we should have our entries is either daily time frame, 4 hours or 1 hour. So coming back on a daily time frame, I can really figure out and give you a very correct view of where the market is heading to. Because coming back on a daily time frame, I can clearly see a failure swing. This is what we call a failure swing. And then a change of character, and then the market is reacting from where there is a change of character. So this is why we have a change of character because we had this daily range. Let me show you this is what I mean. So daily range was happening. Let me just, I'll have to attendance into a previous day high and previous day low. So ukijipata in such scenario where you don't have a clear view of where the market is heading to, you just mark your key zone until you have a clear view where the market is heading to. So this is on a daily time frame. You can see this market was ranging between these two areas. We had these areas. So this is why the market was unable to break the swing high because it was creating higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But this time the market was unable to make a new high, confirming for this is what we call a failure swing. And once a failure swing, then the market changed the character once it broke the structures on the lower side. So, and the market has reached that area indicating for more drop. So this is what we can clearly see. a failure swing, a change of character, a retest, and then another drop. So, but on a higher time frame, the market is giving us a bullish trend. So what I'll do is I just mark my Q zone, and then I'll come back maybe after 2 days or 3 days and have a clear view where the market is heading to. So I'll just mark the previous day high and the previous day low. So the previous day high and also the previous day low. And did I mark the weekly? And also the previous week low ilikuwa ni hapa, and the previous week low ni hapo, and the previous week high ni hapa. So you can, so I'll just leave it there and then come back and see where the market is really giving us a direction where the market is really heading to. Because on 4 hours and daily time frames give me more of bearish. Once the market because has been able to break the swing highs, these are the areas and yeah, imeshindwa kubreak. So I can't really confirm a bias unless na imeshindwa kufanya kubreak hizi highs za huku hivi. So let's leave it at that point. Let's go to the next pair. So we are trying to catch up with the market where the market is really heading to, and then the overall trends the market when is head to. You remember the way we were analyzing the market on December? We clearly knew GPP card inaenda huku, GU inaenda huku, AUDSD inaenda huku. Several pairs we were clearly knowing where the market is heading to. But for now, we are trying to catch up with the market and trying to catch the trend where the market is heading to. GPP card, this one was also another very favorite pair we traded. So let's remove all the drawings. Come back to monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is giving us a very bullish trend, and then we can mark the previous month high and the previous month low. This is the previous month low, and then the previous month high. And then this on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame is giving us more of a ranging market. Let's mark the previous week low. Okay, let's come to back to daily time frame. Where is the market is heading to? Yes, the same case. One thing you have to note that GPP card and Euro card, they have a positive correlation. And what I mean is the kind of a view I will see on the market on GPP card is what I'll have to do on Euro card. So remember when we were trading Euro card, they had the same positive correlation between Euro card and GPP card. So come on, more buys on Euro card, the same case we are more on. The same case we have to see. So also GPP card will give us a hint on where Euro card is still heading to. Coming back to daily time frame, I can say the market is unable, but it's giving us still on a bullish trend because I've said on a monthly time frame the market is on a bullish trend. Tunaona hivi. So kama ujui a bullish trend, ndo bullish trend, market inapanda hivi. So coming back to daily time frame, Kuja daily time frame, you can clearly see the market is obeying the order block and then the reversal structures of an inverse head and shoulder. And another thing, the market also iko na bullish trend creating high highs and high lows. Imeanzia high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs. And now we have an inverse head and shoulder, which is a reversal, not a reversal, but a bullish trend. It's a reverse, it's a bullish trend. Also, so the thing is, I still remain bullish on GBP card. But now the question is, after you notice that the market is still giving you a bullish trend, where is your entry going to be? So this is the order block area on the daily time frame. So the next thing unajiulizana, yes, nimejua market inaendelea huku hivi, but why am I going to have an entry? Let me narrow down to 4 hours. You see, the same thing what anasema, we have to wait this market and give us a very clear direction. So on 4 hours, it's giving us a totally different thing of a reversal structures. And a reversal structure is a inverse, a head and shoulder. You can clearly see a head and shoulder here. And then we have a breakout on the lower side. And then we have the, also actually we have these order blocks pia ziko hapa hivi. We have this order block area, which is a very key zone here. I hope guys mnaona is order block iko hapo even 4 hours. And also this is where we have the shoulder on the daily time frame. So what do you do on a such a scenario? On a higher time frame, the market is giving you a bullish trend. On a lower time frame, the market is giving you a bearish trend, a reversal structures. So what I'll do is on such a scenario is I'll give it time and mark the previous day high. The previous day high in hapa because I'm likely to see the market to break this area. This is the previous month, the daily, the previous day high. Now don't mark up here. That's the previous day high and this is the previous day low. Coming back to on the 4 hours, coming back to on the 4 hours, this is where nimesema now you are going to see there's something different from what we are figuring out on a bigger time frame. On a bigger time frame is giving us more of a bullish. But yes, on a monthly, it doesn't really depend on a monthly hapa hivi. Hata kama tumeona market ni bullish on a monthly time frame, we can really depend on it ile heavily. Coming back on a weekly, closing with a bearish engulfing, closing on a bearish engulfing. And what I mean a bearish engulfing is ni hii candlestick unaona hapo hivi, giving us more heaviness of this market to come into drop. Another thing, there's one thing nilikuwa nimeongelea jana, the market inakujanga kujaza the shadow. Kama week imeacha ika week kamkia hapo hivyo, the market inakujanga kujaza the shadow. Okay, coming back to daily time frame, market closing with an indecision candle. An indecision candle ni hii. This is what we call an indecision candle. A candle an indecision candle. So what am I going to do? So what I'm going to trade this. So I have scenario. So I have two scenarios and views on this pair on GBP card. Okay. So unless this market breaks the previous day high, it's confirming for me the more bullish. Unless it breaks these areas. Unless this market it can break this, which is the previous day high hapa hivi, and expect some little bit of grab of liquidity on the previous day high, because tukimark liquidity levels ukitumia hizi horizontal line, the market inakujanga unapata it has to break it a little bit kidogo. But now because we are day traders, we are trading like internally traders wenye tuna trade na daily, so tuwezi really depend on a higher time frame kama hizo za monthly kusema, because when market ni bullish we have to go bullish on the same way on the 4 hours. What we are going to do in this scenario is we are going to trade with the same analysis tunafanyanga. So I'm going to figure out, see the market to come back on the previous day, which is the previous day high, break kidogo, so ikuje hapa ifanye, is it BSL or SSL? Abdul, SSL is originated by the buying order. BSL is originated by the sales order. So this is BSL. So we are going to have the BSL here. So we are going to experience BSL, agree to break kidogo, but the market to close below on 4 hours is close above that horizontal line in terms of candlestick. And then we have another drop from all the way from there and target this area. And from here, that's when I'll now figure out to see whether we are going to have another bull run all the way up. But it can close above here, indicating for more buys. So this is the only opportunity we are going to experience more sales. So my short position itakuwa inafanana hivi. Also, you can question down below up. I want to make more questions. My stop loss should be above here, and my stop loss, my target one, my TP1, my entry inafaa ikuwe hapo. Nani ajui kuchukua entry kutumia liquidity ama kutumia BSL ama SSL? And then my target should be, yes, this TP2, but TP1 should be here and TP2 inafaa ikuwe hapa. So I'll be targeting something like that in such a scenario. And the reason why I may come up with such scenario is because the market is approaching the previous day high where we had an indecision candle, and also we can clearly see a reversal structure of an inverse head and shoulder hapa hivi, which is a bearish structure. Kwanza hizi structures, that's why I really believe them sana. So ukikata hapa, don't try to bishana na hii market. The only other step for you to be able to have an entry is these areas are shoulders again. These are the only areas we can target again. So any question up to that? It's taking us a lot of time to analyze only one single pair because we have a lot of things to check up because we have not been analyzing the market on a higher time frame. Maybe. Mike wewe bado hujasoma liquidity, bado class zako zinaendelea. Okay. So more question on the comment. Euro CHF have a positive correlation with GBP JPY. Tulisema hiyo tutaangalia. So this is the only view I'll have on GBP card. And now let me ask you a question. So this entry, hautachukua blindly. There are reasons which are going to give you for you to have an entry. There are things to check. So si ati ikifika hapa na unachukua entries. What are the factors are you going to consider for you to have an entry on this area yenye tumemark hapa hivi? So let comment down below and then I'll see mwenye ameansa vizuri. Mwenye amesema the factors we are going to consider for us to have an entry, because yes tumefanya analysis, but are we going to take an entry market ikifika hapo hapo, ama what are we going to do so as we have a full confirmation that we are going to take these entries on GPP card? So comment below. Let's go to the next pair, Euro AUD. This is another pair pia tunakwanga tukitrade. This one has been our favorite pair. Hata I believe last year's analysis bado ziko hapa, tulikuwa tunaitrade mbaya sana. Ninakumbuka hapa nikiwaambia breakout and retest. Actually I was trading Dan. Ni Dan alikuwa ananiuliza about this one. Yes, it breakout and retest. Okay. So let's move on the drawings. Hii pia imekuwa ikimove vizuri. Okay, so for me on that area, this is coming to back to Euro AUD. Let's remove all the drawings. Remove all the foreign drawings. And also the answer on GPP, and someone to comment on the GPP card. Leo hii live stream yetu ya leo, it will go more than 2 hours. So if you are here to stay, make sure that you'll be here for more than 2 hours until we are done with this whole watch list. So coming back to Euro AUD, this was another pair where we are trading Euro AUD, gave us very good pips since when tulichukua the same entries on nini ndo tulichukua na Euro AUD hapa nakumbuka on 4 hours. I remember it. Okay, if the price fails to close above the previous day high, that's the true answer. That's the what I really wanted to answer. So let's come back on monthly. On monthly, what's the overall direction of this pair? Okay, this market is on a bullish trend, and now this is what we call a bullish flag. But now nimesema on weekly, this is on a monthly. It really depend on a flag ya monthly. Haiwezi lipuka. Unajua flag inalipukanga. What I mean is a flag in a consolidating, in a create more, inakuwa ina consolidate. But the moment it start to move, in a moving with a very good volatility, it can break. But now we can really depend on a flag on a monthly. Yet it's giving us confirmation that this market is really on a bullish trend. Okay, so come back on monthly. We can only mark the previous month high and the previous month low. So if you don't know how to mark the previous high and the low is the second candlestick of the monthly. I've seen a comment. So someone is saying, when I see selling candlesticks, try confirmation pattern. Candlestick selling, no. There's a really confirmation tunaangalianga ndo tuingie your GPP card. I'm still waiting for your answers, guys. Let's come to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, this is on a weekly time frame. We have marked on the monthly, the previous month high and the previous month low. Let's mark the previous month low also. We can't mark the previous month weekly high because kuna line nyingine bado iko hapo. That's the reason mbona sija mark high yake. This is on the daily time frame. And also, what can you figure out on the daily time frame? We can see a breakout of these structures and then a retest. So we're expecting more buys on Euro AUD since this market is still on a bullish trend. Coming back to 4 hours. Okay. So one thing to conclude, this is how you start analyzing the market. Unaanzianga kuanzia maybe high time frame daily, unaangalia the trend, unaona where the market is heading to. Ukiona the market is heading to bullish ama bearish, now you know you are looking for more buys. Tumekuja daily time frame, tumeona the market is on a bullish trend, so we are keenly focusing on looking forward for more buys. Either tupate continuation pattern ama reversal structure tukirudi kwa 4 hours ama 1 hour. Ama order block ama breakout of something na nini hivyo. Those are the things tunaangalianga. Tukirudi kwa 4 hours, tumeangalia this one is a breakout and a retest where the market iko. So but now we are looking for buys. Tutachukua buys zetu wapi? Okay. On 4 hours, we can only figure out for more buys. It's only at this particular zone. This is the only particular zone ninaona more buys because honestly there's no any order block kwa hapo, but I'm looking forward for more buys. Coming back to Ana, tuone kama tunaweza pata order block on for Ana. No, that's the only liquidity area tunaweza pata more buys. I can't figure out anything. Sioni any order block ya bullish ya kutupia more buys. No. On Euro AUD, this is the only area zone ninaweza tafuta buys. So someone anaweza tuambia why are we concluding why we should have a buy on Euro AUD. This one is very much direct Euro AUD. You guys, this is more easier for you to do the analysis because you can see a reversal structure of a head, inverse head, shoulder, creating for more buys, a breakout of structure, and then a retest. a breakout of this area, and then a retest, and also a breakout of this structure here, and then a retest. You can clearly see the pattern yenye imekuwa ikipanda nayo ndio inafanya tu hivyo. Imefanya breakout, retest, breakout hapa, retest. So this is the same scenario that you're looking forward for more buys. And that's why I'm saying if you're on Euro AUD, make sure you're looking forward for more buys on Euro AUD. Okay, so let me read the comments. Someone amesema a bearish engulfing. Yes, a bearish engulfing, but I don't like taking entries using bearish engulfing because I find bearish engulfing inakwanga imemove, imekupea so many pips for you to risk. Me, if I see a rejection and a change of character, yes, you can see a rejection of a shooting star. It can really confirm for you to have an entry on that GBP card. You can also, but the main part of it, the main answer that I'm looking forward for on GPP card is whether the market fails to hold above the previous day high. That's when you can have an entry on GPP card. So when you're on a joint side, we are having conversation. We have been analyzing this pair. So I may talk about something we are on Euro USD, and I'm talking about something about on GPP card. So make sure that you stay on live until we are done with the analysis. Let's go to the next pair. The next pair is GBP JPY, and Euro JPY is the JPY pairs. So on these ones, lazima tuangalie pia to confirm pia na akina JPY basket. Okay, coming back to GBP JPY, this market is on a bullish trend, and the reason why, actually Mike ulichukuanga hii trade, Mike alikuwa ameona hii trade, nani mwingine alikuwa ameona hii trade? Mike ndo alikuwa amenitumia, but tulikuwa Christmas, I was not trading. Okay, these are the reason why I'm saying about bullish trend on a GBP Okay, so sorry, nimeanza kuongea bullish trend na bado tujiangazia market from a higher time frame. Tuanzie market on a higher time frame. Aya, hii market imekuwa very 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 bullish for us. Another thing, kuna mtu amenotice something hapa? Let me see kama unanijua na tuna analyzing market na wewe hapa hivyo on YouTube, you know something when you talk about a candlestick dance imefanywa something. See, let me see on the comment. Whenever a green candlestick, whenever a red candlestick, let me see that comment here. Kama unajua what I'm talking about, this one, something that is happening here, a market shift MSS. And someone is talking about Mr. Dennis on Eurocard. If that OB gets respected, that's when we take a sell. Yes, I'll check it. But I want to announce something on JBO on monthly GPP JPY. What does it mean, this one? On which time frame are you talking, Mr. Dennis, on the order block? You know, this analysis haikwangi peke yangu. If you are here on YouTube, you are watching this analysis, can you please participate? Can you comment, ask those questions? We are here to participate. We are here to do analysis. This water. We all know how to trade. So I'm expecting everybody to participate and make a comment about what we are doing. Either you are agreeing, either you are disagreeing, make sure that you are making a comment on this. Yeah. There's this order block. I will only consider this one here. Unless you're talking about that order block here for 1 hour. Which, Mr. Dennis, are you talking about? Let's continue the analysis. Wacha kurudi numa, but you can comment. So to go on GPP JPY hapa on monthly, and this is what I was really talking about. Also, I was talking, when you see a red candle, shows more continuation of buying. A red candle shows continuation of more buying. A green and a red candlestick buy. Yeah, inamaanisha hivyo. I think the same thing we are trying to see, to project the same concept of what I'm meaning. So what I'm saying is that whenever you see a grand candlestick binded by a green candlestick, it indicates for more buys. This is what I think. A red candlestick imebaidiwa by a green candlestick. Let me give you an example. For now, this ni free mentorship napeana hapa hivi YouTube, but now itafika time utaona nimelimit. So what I mean is you can clearly see this red candle imebaidiwa by a green. So make sure that the candlestick yenye naibind, unless it is closing above it, it's closing above it. Hello, hebu ndakupigia kidogo. Unless it's closing above it on like it's fully closing it. Like you see a red candle, it may close fully above it. Okay, so you can clearly see the same thing may happen if a red candlestick, a green candlestick imefunga. So kwa hivyo lazima muongoje that the time frame yenye tunaongelelea imefunga. So it indicates more buyers on GPP JPY. Guys, today hii analysis is itaenda hadi kwa hivyo 12 ama 1. So today's analysis they are way too longer because we are doing an analysis kuanzia zenye tujakuwa tukifanya since December. So coming back on GPP JPY, of course we have to mark the liquidity areas, the previous month, this monthly low, and also we can mark the monthly high. This can be a red flag for us on the monthly high. to mark hivyo, and then we can go down to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we had a very bearish engulfing, and now the market imerudi juu again with a green candlestick on a weekly. So we won't mark the previous week high because currently the market iko, tukimark the previous weekly high, kuna ile line yenye imemarkiwa on the monthly high zina fall under the same area, so we just add another horizontal line on the previous week low. Okay, so on the previous week low, coming back on the daily time frame. Okay, so the market for me is indicating for mobiles on a higher time frame and also on daily time frame. So what are we going to have an experience of? How are we going to have an entry on GBP/JPY? We can really depend on an entry on a daily time frame. We can really depend on an entry on a weekly time frame since we are day traders. So the next thing we narrow down is 4 hours. Check for entries either such as order block or something else. And another thing that is really giving me confidence on a bullish on trend on this GBP/JPY is, guys, we also use trend line. We have a breakout of a trend line here, and also you have a retest. You can see the market broke the trend line, and then you have a retest, and then we have this order block, which is a bullish order block, which was really respected here. Okay, so let me see how are we going to have an entry. So how we are going to have an entry is on such a scenario. There's something I normally talk about. Whenever you see this red candlestick and the market is approaching a resistance area, what should you not do? What are you not supposed to do? Let me see on the comment section. What are you not supposed to do? What are you not supposed to do? Let me see. Let me see on the comment section. Let's engage. There's something nashinanga nikiimba. Whenever there's something imeacha up, when we are approaching certain zone, there's something is going to happen. It indicates from something. Let me see. Let's refreshen up our mind. Let's refreshen up our mind. I'm waiting for the comment section, someone to comment. We have more than 30 people on live stream, but naona comments za watu karibu wanne ama watano. So there's something we normally talk about each and every time, that whenever we have this red candlestick here and we have this zone here, what does it indicate? What does that really indicate? Let me see on the comments. You see, Abdallah was my student. He's from Nigeria, actually. Is Saleh Abdullahi is from Nigeria. He's my friend. He's my student. So he's correct. This is what I mean. Don't try to sell. What I mean is this. Don't try to sell this area, because there's high probability this market is going to do this, something, a scenario of this is going to do such a scenario. The market will break and return to the order block. That's good. Naona hata sponge mpole yako hapa hivi anaelewa, kwa sawa kana. So with the such scenario inamaanisha this market itakuja break hapa and then irudi kwa hiyo red candlestick and then to buy. That's simply inamaanisha hivyo. And the same area hii ya order block bado ninaona bado ndo tuko na inverse head and shoulder. You can clearly see you have the head, the shoulders, and the shoulders and shoulders. So the only buying zone for this GBP/JPY is once the market is back to that order block area and having the shoulders. And the reason for that, the conference is break of trend indicating for more buyers. Another conference for it is on a higher time frame indicating for more of a bullish trend. Mike Akwapa. Mike from Meru. Mike from Meru, hebu comment kama uko hapa. Meru, Mike from not Alliance, I think Manguhai. Kama uko hapa comment. Long position. And then have your stop loss here. How are you going to have a stop loss? Our stop loss is going from coming to be indicated. Our stop loss is highlighted by the previous shoulders and the liquidity areas maliko. So slightly below your area, and then we are going to target way above. That's a view on GBP/JPY. Mike, okay. Let's go to the next pair. Anyone, any comment, you can comment down below. Let's go to EUR/JPY. So niki-analyze GJ, ninakwanga nime-conclude on the rest of the pairs. Ninakwanga nimepata the view on GJ, EUR/JPY, because they normally have the same correlation. And what I mean a correlation, they have a positive correlation. The same thing that is really happening on EUR/JPY. Unaweza ona GJ, hiyo ni GJ iko na hiyo candlestick na iko na hiyo zone, na uangalie EUR/JPY, there's no difference from EUR/JPY. So meaning I have already concluded on EUR/JPY and I have already concluded on GBP/JPY. So we can go to the next pairs. So meaning we are expecting these shoulders itakuwa hapo. Meaning unaona pia iko na hiyo shoulder, iko na hiyo head. Pia GBP/JPY iko na the same structures. They have a positive E head na ndio hiyo shoulder. So meaning I'm expecting more buys from this particular zone on EUR/JPY. Tuko pamoja? And then the only thing I can mark is on a daily time frame, I can really check where the market is. Is there a near zone up or juu? So the near zone ya hii pair iko hapa. And also tutakuwa na another re-entry on daily time frame once the market break this area. So for swing traders, hii ni ya position ya, because this year tutakuwa tunafanya swing traders na watu wanunue pro farm, watu na highlight watu wanunue pro farm, nitakuja niwaambie the pro farm for you to guys to buy. So what I mean is we are going to be doing swing. So there's difference between catching a swing trade and there's a difference between catching an entry, because this one is a short term trade. A short term trade yetu ni kutoka hapa hadi hapa, unaweza toka, itatoka hapa within 2 days, inaweza fika hapa hivi. But for swing traders wanaangalianga something like this. You come on back on a daily time frame, you do this, you highlight a breakout on breakout on a daily time frame, giving us a high confidence of more buys, and then retest, and then you continue buying. So once the market imefanya hivi, for swing traders watakuwa another entry here. So swing traders watahold in market for more than 3 weeks or months, or more, for more than a month. So meaning once this on a daily time frame, so once the market may break hapa hivi on daily time frame, lazima tutakuwa na retest, and then we have another continuation all the way to this particular zone. So this is an entry ya swing traders, but now haiko active. So but for us we are going to have an entry, and our TP tuna target wapi? Hapa juu tu kidogo. So something like this. So tuna target wapi? Let me show you. So sisi tuna target, unajua this on forwards, tunaweza target kutoka hadi hapa. That's the view. Any comment, any comment, any comment, any comment. So let's move to memalizana hizo za kina JPY. Let's go to NZDCHF. NZDCHF. Any comment guys? Okay. So this on NZDCHF, there's nisha figure out, nisha on a channel. Let me move the drawings. Let's start analysis on a higher time frame. Kama umechoka, hii analysis tunaenda all the way hadi 12 something. Tumebakisha hii watch list yote. Hizi pia zote. Hizi zote. So we have to analyze all of them. So this NZDCHF. On NZDCHF, on a monthly time frame, the market is on a bearish. So we can mark the previous monthly high and then the monthly low. So this market is on a bearish trend, bado jerudi pale to the low pale kuna liquidity penyewe. Come back to weekly. Coming back on a weekly time frame, there's a bit of correction. So on a weekly time frame, I to mark the previous, because the market is trading above the previous week. But on a higher time frame, which is on a Monday, the market is on a bearish trend. Okay, come back to daily. Niaje? Poa sana, happy new year. Poa sana, karibu. Niko salama. So there is a trend on a higher time frame, which is on a daily time frame, which I can see it on a daily time frame. There's that trend line. I'm seeing the market is approaching the trend line on a daily time frame, which is on a daily time frame. Coming back to 4 hours. On a 4 hours, cha turudisha hivi nyuma ndio tuone vizuri. Ndio tuweke trend line iguze penyewe vizuri sana. Yeah, iko sawa hivyo. Okay. So for me, I'll be looking for na kuna unaona market imepita hiyo order block area. So for me on this scenario, I'll be looking for the market to reject from the trend line. And another re-entry I'm going to have on NZDCHF, which is more safer, is once the market kuna hii trend line ya chini. So the reason why I'm looking for sales is because the overall trend of this market is on a bearish trend. So I'll be looking for a scenario where the market break the trend line on the lower side, a retest, and then we continue selling. And then another re-entry is once the market may reject from the trend line here. The market reject from the trend line, and then we continue selling. So those are the views on NZD-CHF. So mtu anaweza come up and do the, where did I go for sales and not buys? Why am I going for sales? Let me see on the comment section. Let me go see in the comment section because kuna mtu angeniambia this market is on a bullish trend. Why am I going for sales on this pair? Sorry. Let me see on the comment. Wanna see any comments? That's a view on. So you have two views on NZDCHF. So there's a view yenye itakuwa na more of a major resistance. There's a view. This one ya breakout at latest on the lower side itakuwa imekuconfirmia for more, and then we have another entry ya hapo hivyo. That's a view on NZDCHF. Let's go to AUD card. AUD card tulikuwa tuna trade last year kweli. Sikumbuki vizuri kama ilikuwa inatupea good entries. Coming back to daily, the market is rejecting from a liquidity area, which is these are the major zones, and then the previous week monthly high. So this is AUD card, okay. And hope you guys muna note down. After we are done this, I hope muna note down the pairs is gonna very good entries. So once we are done with all these analysis and need answers from you, what about the OB on a daily for sales? Which pair? Travis can comment OB on a daily. Please kindly note in which pair. Coming back on a monthly time frame, that's on a monthly. This is on a weekly. Weekly hatuwezi mark high, tuwezi mark low because the low yake kuna hiyo ya monthly bado. That's the high. Coming back to daily. This is on a daily time frame. Yesterday ilifunga with a very bearish candlestick and it's a switching star. Let's go mark the previous daily high. Come back to 4 hours. This pair I see a sort of reversal, and this is the reason why. Because on a monthly time frame, tunaangalia market imeguza a very key zone. One thing imekuwa range because kuna in 2023 to 2025 sasa. Ujue ni range on a monthly time frame. So meaning we can't really depend on a ranging ama a view the buyers of a monthly mali inaenda. Coming back to weekly time frame, the market has been bearish, but now it may approach area zones where it has given us it has approached very key area zones on the weekly time frame. Coming back to daily time frame, there's something I'm viewing. Coming back the same thing on daily time frame, I see a sort of reversal. And the reason why, because I want this market to close leo, candlestick ya leo, ndo ikuwe engulf. You guys unakumbuka when nimeuliza, whenever a red candlestick is better than a green candlestick. So I would like this daily candlestick ya leo ifunge, and ifunge with a very bullish candlestick. For me, it's giving me over bullish because you can clearly see here on 4 hours is forming a sort of reversal structures of an inverse head and shoulder. This is a reverse head and shoulder. You can clearly see a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder. Yes, that is forming on a sort of reversal structures on a day, on a 4 hours. But on a confirmation is, I would like on the daily time frame for it to go close with a bullish candlestick, indicating for more buys. So for me on a AUD card, we are going to leave it there. So we'll just leave it there without any answer until we come back tomorrow. We have a clear view of where the market is heading to. So this one haiko more clear kama hizo zingine tumeenda directly like AUD US, Euro AUD. Kuna pia unaendanga hivyo naangalia this AUD JPY inafaa iko na kina GJ hapo. Let's go to USD-CHF. So tumeingia the USD-CHF, the USD pairs. Okay. Let's start with the Euro USD. Andre. Let's move our drawings. So this pair is on a bearish trend. And the reason why I'm saying and the resistance trend which is not break yet, because trend line of a fan is a fan, Euro NZD-CHF analysis. Guys, sijapata about what you have commented, mnaweza rudia. So let's continue to Euro USD. This is on a monthly time frame. I see Euro USD on a bearish way. And the reason why I'm seeing it on a bearish way is because you can clearly see the market has been very bearish, very bearish, and it's holding below the ranging of a monthly time frame. Come back to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we can mark the previous week high and the previous week low, or tukianzia monthly. Ndio venye nimeona monthly iko mbali kumark the previous month high. We can mark it also. That's the previous month high. And then we can mark the weekly high. The weekly high ndio inakuwa approached saa hii. Weekly high and then the weekly low, and then come back to daily. This is on daily. The market is approaching on a very, 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 very strong zone on a daily time frame. Tushamark hapo 4 hours, coming to 4 hours. Okay. So there's not anything that is really indicating for me that this market may change direction, because you can clearly see the market in Kirudisha na nyuma, the market has been very bearish. This is what we call a bearish trend. But now a single movement here, like this, a single movement cannot really confirm for us that the market has really changed the direction from a bearish to a bullish, unless we have a reversal structures of an inverse head and shoulder and see that the market is obeying the bullish order block. But currently, there's nothing we are seeing. So the only prey zone, the only zone that I'll be looking for more entries, I see more sales on this particular area, which is the previous weekly high. So how are we going to have an entry at this particular zone on the previous weekly high? So I need the comment below. How are we going to have an entry? Because this is the liquidity area of the weekly. So how are we going to have an entry using the liquidity zone of the weekly? So here we are going to experience BSL, and our TP1 should be targeted at this particular zone. So I'm waiting for you guys to give me a confirmation on how we are going to have an entry on Euro USD. Why we are going, why the reason? So I want, why are we having a sales? Another reason is, how are we going to have an entry on Euro USD using the BSL? So I'm waiting for more confirmation. Waiting for more comments, guys. Please participate. We have more than 30 people here, guys. Please participate. Don't wait for others to comment. How you learn by commenting, making those comments below. So you are asking why you are looking for more sales on NZDCHF. So you use the trend line, and the trend line is downtrend. NZDCHF. Oh yeah. Nimekumbuka. So tuko hapa hivi, tuko Euro USD. So I'm waiting for more breakout, and the candlestick should close below. Yeah, that's the same strategy we are going to use there on Euro USD. So I'm still waiting for you another answer on Euro USD, where we are going to have an entry on Euro USD. So let's go to GU. So the same thing we are going to see on GU. So the same analysis we are going to see on GU, the same thing we have seen on Euro USD. So ukianalyze hizi pairs zingine nimwambie zinakuanga na positive correlation, you know what to expect on the rest of the pairs. So you can clearly see the market is on a bearish, with this on a monthly time frame. So those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can view me through the link on my bio. Go to my profile and click the link, click YouTube hapo hivyo juu utaniona. So on monthly, that's why you have the monthly high, which is the previous month high, and then I don't think we can mark the previous month low. Isha break you. Okay, coming back to weekly, we can mark the previous week high. Coming to daily. So that's the zone we are observing, where we are going to have our more sales on GU. The same thing is going to happen on Euro USD. So what are we going to check out for us to have an entries on this particular zone? What are we going to check out for us to have an entry on this particular zone? What should we watch out? We should watch out a break, and the market should not hold above that area zone. So that's what we are going to watch out at that particular area. So, and your TP1 should be at this particular zone. because the market is on the bearish trend and we're waiting for liquidity sweep. Yeah, exactly. So on GU, the market is on the bearish trend and we are waiting for liquidity sweep, which is on the weekly time frame. That's the same answer that I was already waiting for. And waiting for liquidity sweep, that's how do we have an entry on liquidity sweep? The market to break but not hold above it using the candlestick. The shadow is still okay when the market is holding above using the shadow, but the times of closing should close below the liquidity areas. That's how you're going to have an entry on the GU and Euro USD. So ukimark zone yako, si market ikiguza hapo wewe ni kuchukua entries. There are some factors we normally check for us to have an entry on that particular zone. AUD USD, that's the order block. But let's start analyzing market on a higher time frame. Okay, let me see someone and pair the full view. AUD USD kuna positive correlation na pair gani? AUD USD iko na positive correlation na pair gani? Let's see in the comment section. So those watching AUD USD iko na positive correlation with which pairs? Those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube, and that's why we're doing the live stream of analysis. Spojimpol is saying GU, but you can have more of a strong positive correlation with another pair, which I'm very hoping to. This year, 2025, this market itakuwa na positive correlation na hiyo pair. Last year zilikuwa zinaendanishana, but inakuwa na positive correlation na another pair. XAUSD, yes, inakuwa na positive correlation with XAUSD. This is on AUDs, this is on a monthly, weekly. The market even is holding below the zone, indicating for most of the market is very bearish on daily unless we see another block. This is the other block available on daily time frame. People are says oil. No, I don't think oil got a positive correlation anyway. It's gold. So I'll be looking forward for more sales of these pairs. This is on the order block in Yetumona on daily time frame. This is only available order block on daily time frame. Coming back to 4 hours. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Ukienda uone kuna order block ya daily na uende uone kuna order block ya 4 hours, utafocus na order block ya which time frame? Utafocus na order block gani? Because on 4 hours kuna order block mbili na tukirudi kwa daily kuna order block. Utarudi focus na order block gani? So the answer is simple. I focus on this. If you have if you have the first answer and you have another second choice, I'll focus on the second choice. You get you have something, but you're still considering something else as a second option. Sorry, English, please. Yes. Sorry. So if you're still considering something as a second option, so you just go for the second option, because why do you have the second option yet you have the first answer? Meaning that you first has the first choice. So this is the same thing that's happening on AUDSD. So I still focus on the second order block in Iko. So I'll be looking forward for more sales on that, the only zone on AUDSD, where we also will be having a breakout of a structure and then also a retest. Your order block is still falling under where we have a breakout of a structure and also a retest. I think 4 hours is okay. So that's the only zone I'll be checking on AUDSD. GPPCHF. GPPCHF last time, we had a very good analysis last year, but I don't think why we are focusing on, but I know GPPCHF has a very big spread for me on my side. So that's why I really don't focus on it a lot of checking it on analyzing GPPCHF. So let's start on a monthly time frame. Is there anybody who trades GPPCHF and is on the live stream on YouTube? If you analyze GPPCHF on my YouTube, just comment below. The market has been ranging, and this is what we call a ranging, but it's giving me over bullish trend because of the candlestick where we normally talk about a green candlestick binded by a red candlestick. This is what I mean. You can clearly see. So those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. You can only see this live stream on my YouTube channel. So just click the link on my bio, and then you can be able to see the live stream. So coming back on a monthly time frame, we can mark the previous month high and the previous month low. month high and month low. Come back to weekly. Okay. On weekly, we have this ranging. The market is ranging here, and then the market is buying on our trend currently. But I'm still looking forward for more buys on GBP And what is really giving me more confidence is on the on the higher time frame. Come back to daily time frame. The market is approaching. Let's turn this market into a line chart. There's this zone here. So the only way I can have an entry here is once the market break these areas and retest. Let's convert now into candlestick charts. Make sure when you're doing analysis, sometimes you convert your charts into a line chart. Don't really focus a lot on candlestick chart, but focus on line chart PM. So the only way I can have an entry on GBP CHS is a breakout of that area and then a return confirming for more buys. So tafanya tafuta an entry hivi. Hizo ni strong sana, nimeionea huko mbali. Ndio hiyo. Ona the way imekuwa ikirange sana. Acha ni reduce hapo mnaweza onea hapo. So the only way we can have an entry here is this particular zone, a breakout, and then a retest, and then we continue buying it. So our entry will be after a breakout and then a retest, and then we continue buying it. Any question? Any question? Let's go to the next pair. NZD card. Tumebakisha mingi. Tumebakisha kidogo. Tumebakisha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around 10 pairs. So this is NZD card. Name of drawings. And I hope you guys have a book and a notebook. Mna note down zile pia tunapata. Okay. Okay. This is on a monthly time frame. Coming back on a monthly time frame, market indicating for more sales, indicating for bearish trend in the market. We can mark the previous monthly high, which is not really necessary. Iko mbali sana. Iko juu sana. But yeah, we can still mark it. And then we can go on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Yeah, we can mark the previous week high and the previous week low, and then come back to daily. This market is on a bearish trend, and the reason why I'm looking forward for more sales is the trend of it is bearish. Okay, so the only way, what is the previous day high? Previous day high. Okay, so I'll be looking forward for this market to break a little to swipe liquidity at these particular levels, and then I continue selling it. And then I continue selling it. And the reason why is because the overall trend of this market is on a bearish trend. Who trade NZD card na kwa hapa? When you're trading NZD card na kwa hapa, let's see the comment. Let's see the comment. It's got GPP AUD. Hii pair, kwani generally disappointing. We had a flag. We had a very good flag. Okay. There is this market. I'm looking for more sales. On weekly time frame, the market is closing in the bearish engulfing, and the reason why nilikuwa natafuta sales because of this flag jana, but the overall trend yake ni bullish. So overall trend yake ni bullish. There's a trend and on which time frame? Let's see. This GBP AUD. That's your daily time frame. So note down, hata kama unachukua hizo sales ziko on a short time, not a long term. They are just short term trades, because the overall trend of this market is on a bullish. So if you are looking for more sales, those should come back all the way to this area. and then we go long on this pair from this area. Unless this area, which is the major zone, which is we are going to experience a change of character on the 4 hours, unless this market it break up EV, that's when you can conclude that the market has changed character and now it's starting to become bearish. But currently the market is still bullish, but most sales just short-term sales all the way here, and then we go long on GBP AUD. Let's go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP is ranging. This market has been ranging since last year. I've not been liking Euro GBP. Honestly, I can have a view with such a scenario. Guys, I hope mnaona Euro GBP on your YouTube. So those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel as Dr. Forex. You can be able to see the live stream from there. So this weekend, this is a ranging market. You can be able to trade such a scenario where market haujui market kama inapanda ama inashuka. So just skip it. Kuna mtu najua alikuwa ameuliza about Euro GBP. Alikuwa ameuliza on the comment section. Let's go to XAUSD gold. Let's move over the drawings and then we have the view on it. Okay, one thing you have to know, gold will be ever bullish. Hakuna siku utasema the trend of the market itakuwa ya gold itakuwa tini bearish. Unless we are having short term sales, but ever times hadi 2030 tukifika gold itakuwa tu inapandanga tu because it's an asset. Ni kama shamba tu. So let's back the previous month high and the previous month low. So on a long term, so the ever time the market will be on a bullish. As it says nakwanga short term, maybe for 6 months or 3 months, and then the trend yake itaendelea tu bado kufanya nini? Kupana from a bearish to bullish. It will be ever be bullish. That's on a monthly. Coming back on a weekly, let's mark tusongeshe tu kwa weekly. Achana na hiyo monthly. Then a weekly low and weekly high. Coming back to daily. This is on a daily time frame. So for now, I'll be looking for this market to come back out the way to these area zones, because currently it is obeying the structures za kushuka. The reason why we have a reverse overhead, shoulder and shoulder, tapping the shoulders again. So these areas, the only area zones I'll be looking for sales. Easy area zones. Za hapa. Those are the key area zones I'll be looking. Oh, I remember we had another order block on 4 hours, of which I've been waiting for this order block to come back again. This is the order block on 4 hours. You see this order block here, and I remember nikimark nikiongoja. These are the area zone I'll be looking for sales. Looking for sales at this particular levels. Guys, can you see this order block? That's the only zone I'll be observing for sales, and this one will give me a confirmation for long-term sales all the way down hadi hapo mali ilitoka. Confirmation for sales hadi hapo, sales hapo zitatoka hapo hadi hapo. So if you catch that sell from there, I'll be looking out for more sales all the way down. Yes, that's the area I'll be looking for sales. Na bona sioni comment on this phone. Any question? US oil. US oil has been very, very, very bullish. Na tulisema yesterday ndo analyze this one before we left. Tulisema US oil, you are looking for buys from this order block and the breakout and a retest. So this is a flag. Kwanza kuna flag on one. Expecting for more sales on oil all the way down hadi hapo, and then so ukichukua trade unafaa ujue hiyo trade unachukua ni short term ama long term. So I'm expecting more sales all the way down here and then buys zianzie from here on US oil. I think this one I gave the reason. The reason is because of our breakout and a retest and the order block, and currently it's giving us a flag. So wait for this candlestick ifunge, and then you can have your more sales all the way down there. Bitcoin, no any view on Bitcoin. To party entry, bro. So I'm live on YouTube. If you are watching this analysis on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. This is where you can only see the analysis. Niko YouTube. Okay, so Bitcoin, there's no any view. Bitcoin iko 1-1. I don't have any view on Bitcoin mali kwa sahi. but I'm expecting more buys on it. AUDCHF. Okay. Did you have any view on AUDCHF? Tuko na trade last year vizuri. Okay. This market is on a bearish unless it shows a reversal structure. I'm live on YouTube. Just click search Dr. Forex or click on my bio. You can be able to see where you can be able to see my link to my YouTube channel. That's why you can use YouTube, TikTok. I can share my screen. Okay. So this is on a weekly time frame. Okay. This is on a daily time frame. What have you seen on a daily time frame? The thing is, this market is on a bearish, but I'm looking forward to see any order block area zone where I can have a good entry for me to confirm continuation of a sales orders. Is there any trend line? But this one can be a very strong zone because it's not an order block area, it's just a surprise zone area. So it can give me more confidence of more sales. Let's give it more time on Euro CHF and then we can have until it materialize and give us a very clear confirmation for us to have an entry. Okay, NAS 100. This is NASDAQ. Come back to monthly, and then let me say this: gold, Nasdaq, hizo zote zitakuwa ever bullish, they will be bullish. The overall trend of these things zitaever kuwa bullish. So sales zinapanga on a short term. Ukiangalia monthly hata kwanzia 2015 because hata uangalia kwanzia 2010 the market has been imekuwa tumulima. The only time hizi market zilishuka ni wakati wa COVID. Since 2021 no 2021 hadi 2022 2023 no market ilianza kubuy 2024 yote market imeanza kuwa bullish hivyo, so they will be ever bullish. Hizi ni kama tu, yani nitasemaje, yani it's like ni kama shamba tu, their assets coming back on weekly. Kwanza nakumbuka juzi when we had stock crash, it was one the market bado will respect technical analysis. Kwanza nakumbuka this was a stock crash, ilikuwa hapa hivi on August 2024. That's when the stock zilikuwa zina crash. The market will respect vizuri. And now since then touching the trend line and continue. So na longer time frame, this is the longer time frame, kuanga na hii trend line yako on Nasdaq mali umeweka hapo hivyo. Coming back to daily time frame. For hours, order block area here. So on Nasdaq, the only view I have is unless the market is back to the order block area, which is on the 4 hours, then that's the only view I can have more buys on it. Has it broken the structure high? Not yet. So I would expect this market to break the structure high and then come back again to order block, and then you can continue buying. So meaning my entry will be on the order block area. German 40 inanga pesa. German 40, those on watching me on live on YouTube. German 40 iko very slow but inakwanga na movement mzuri sana, ina moving poa sana but haina people value unless you use a bigger lot size on it. But it depends also on the broker you are trading on. USD. I'll wait for USD on that. Those areas for more buys on USD. Those are the zones zenye nimemark za more buys on US. Sorry. Those are the only zone I'll be checking out on USD. Okay, guys, so we are done. tumemaliza na 11:30. So since when tulianza hii live stream since 10 tumefanya live stream for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, so what I want is for those people wamekuwa na mimi this live stream, from all the analysis tumefanya, which are the pairs zimetupea good confluence, good they look they are going to materialize, which pairs zimetupea good high probability in terms of analysis. So I know there's one, we have GJ, another one Euro JPY. Let me note them down. So najua watu wengi wanataka kujua GBP CHF. Really, GBP CHF ilikuwa na Masharia. No, GBP CHF I think ilikuwa ina range sana na si kuiona ikinipea good nini conference. GU and Euro USD, not GBP CHF, unless GBP CHF unless on daily time frame we break up hivyo. GU and GJ sipo yeah, GJ ilikuwa sawa, GJ. And then kidogo comment below when you want tumekuwa now about this analysis. Duncan amesema AUD USD. AUD USD ai hapana, AUD USD ni order block tu tumeona hiyo, but guys I'm mention Euro AUD na venye iko na good analysis. Nakumbuka AUD USD tumeconclude this because of an order block here, because of this order block. Yes, but it's Euro AUD. Guys comment Euro AUD imekuwa na good conference for us. Copy China load. Euro AUD imekuwa na good conference because it's giving us more of a bullish market. Yeah, market ya kupanda. Any other pair? Euro CHF. But at least now we have a clear view of where the market is. So from tomorrow's analysis, tutakuja tu every time ni keeping a record of what the market is heading to. So now not tuna kickstart, not tuna ndo tunaanza the motive, tuna gas up for the market now. And Euro card and G card tulisema tuongoja to see the closure of the daily na venye zitakufunga. Yes, but now this one we are looking forward for more sales on G card on a short term frame, on a short like not a long term trade but a short term trade. Any other pair? And guys, don't forget to hit that like button. So GJ, I remember ni GJ Euro JPY. Which other pair? Those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. That's why you can be able to see the live stream. Guys, I'm waiting for the comments. Wait for the comments. We have to find out. So to sema, let's start from the time. Euro CHF, just a wind up. And Euro CHF, yes, we had a view on Euro CHF, a breakout and a retest. This one is also giving us a very good confluence on daily time frame. So this one we are watching it out for the next 3 days. So I managed ni trades za leo, but trades that are in the next 2 days tutapata trades zake zenye tuna watch out to pia yake. Euro CHF we are watching out. Euro card, what's your view on Euro card? We didn't have any view, tuliacha hivyo. G card, we are looking forward for a short-term trade of sales. Euro AUD. Yes, Euro AUD is another pair. Euro AUD. These are now our top number one pair. We are watching out because of a breakout, a retest, and then a continuation of a buys. Euro AUD. Can you analyze GBP and ZD? I'll check. Nilikuwa nimeitoa kwa watch list. Ninapanga na spread kubwa. GBP JPY. Yes, GBP JPY is on the watch list. AUD JPY, hizo JPY pia zote ziko hapo na Euro JPY. Tukuje sasa NZD CHF. Yes, NZD CHF also on the watch list. NZD. And then AUD card. No, we didn't have any view. Tumeongoja daily funge. USD CHF. Kumbuki nikianalyze USD CHF. NZD USD. Hapana. Euro USD. Yes, Euro USD tulianalyze. Euro USD and GBP USD. Those are the pairs we are watching out. Another pair, AUDSD pia iko kwa pair. Iko kwa watch list. GBP CHF here in pay confidence because of the ranging until the daily time frame breaks on the higher time frame, and then we have another retest. NZD card. NZD card, you are still waiting it for the market to sweep liquidity on 4 hours these areas, and then because I hope mnakumbuka when tusema sweep liquidity market inafaa have an entry. Then GPP AUD. Yes, GPP AUD is also on a watch list, please. Euro GPP in a range. Gold, yes, gold. You're waiting for this market to come back over there to the order block on 4 hours. Yes, sir. You have another view on it, waiting for order block. Bitcoin, no any view on Bitcoin. AUD no view on AUD So those are the pair. We have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 pairs. Yes. So those are the pairs that need to be analyzed. So let me see on the comment. So can you analyze GPP and ZDD? I can. Yes, I can. Let me enter it. GPP and ZDD. Remove drawings. This market is on a bullish. This is on a monthly time frame. This is on a weekly time frame. Breakout and retest. Let's mark this area. Come back to daily time frame. Expecting for more sales all the way down here, and then we can have another buy. So hizi ni sales. Hizi sales zinakuja all the way hadi hapa. So hizi sales usibuy hapo. Hizi sales zinakuja all the way hadi hapa, and then now we can have another buy from there. The reason why is because this is a flag, this is a bearish flag. A bearish flag indicates for more sales, and then from there we are going to experience more buys from this area, which is a breakout and retest from this area. Let me show you. Nikirudisha hivi utaona. Yeah. So this is a breakout and then a retest, and these are the sales. Sales zinakuja hivi. So you're on GPP and ZDD, more sales hadi hapa hivi. Any question? Any question? We have been on this live stream for more than 1 hour and 30 minutes. Any question? But now at least we have done analysis. Tutakuwa tunakuja tu tunafuatilia on what we have been doing. So now we are gassing up for the market, having a clear view of where the market is headed to. This is the first live stream tumefanya over deeper market analysis. Yeah, from tomorrow we can keep on. GPP USD ishaenda. Let me see. GPP USD tulikuwa tunangoja GBP USD isip liquidity. Not yet. Acha nikwambie, don't be, usikuwe na haraka, hii ijaenda bado, ijarudi, lazima irudi hapa hivi. This is the only liquidity areas tunaweza tafuta for more sales. Give it more time bado. These are the only zone that zinanipea good confirmation for long term sales. Yeah. Give it more time. Okay, any other question before we end up? Any comment? Make sure you hit that like button. Unaioneanga pale juu. We have 14 like button. Guys, hit that like button. Natokanga live stream tuko na more than 20. Advance ifikisha more than like 30 likes. Hit that like button on the live stream. That like button before we end. Sponge Mpole anasema thank you. Ndio tunaanza sasa. Every day tutakuanga tu hapo hivi. Every day. And I want to see people who now advancing their capital by buying more pro funds. Yes. And if I see good offers, I'll be announcing them. Hit that like button, guys, to go 15. Hit that like button until tufike 20. So ndo tunaanza. Just any other question? And shout out to the people who participate on the comment section on Sponge Mpole, Duncan, Travis Ken, and Saleh and Jen Gadoga. And we had more than 30 people on this live stream. Guys, kindly be participating on the live stream. Be participating. Make sure you're commenting down. Make sure you're interacting with the people. Make sure you're asking questions. Usikae tu hapo hivyo tukisema ni buy na unakubaliana na sisi ni buy. Tukisema ni sell. Make sure you're asking why did you confirm that for us it's a buy? Ama mnakubaliana na kila kitu nasema hapa. So I want you guys to be participating on this live stream. Isikuwe ni sisi peke yetu tuko hapa tunaongea. I want to see you guys ask more question, Tell us your view on the comment section. We do respect each and everyone views on this live stream. So I see Mr. Dennis Sema, thank you for a good job, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But today imekuwa mrefu sana. Nimeongea more than 2 hours directly. But yeah, I had planned for this. We are going to do it. So ndo tunaanza. I hope you guys mnajua vile tunafanyanga analysis. Tunafuatilia market until we have a good entries. So tukianza ku strike these entries, hatutakuwa na wasiwasi. And I hope you guys are going to make wow out of the best of this live stream. You're going to benefit. You're going to have good entries. You're going to be making money, and this is much easier for you to do analysis because tukifanya analysis hapa tunafanyanga analysis watu wengi, and everybody's wanakubaliana what we are doing the analysis. So you find people are commenting their view, their option, na huwa nazi highlight. I don't think there's any comment huwa na skip hapa hivi mkiandika. Okay. And I wish you the best to hit that like lazima tufike more than 21 likes. I wish you the best this year. The best in trading. Make more money. A peep for one. Yes. And one thing, respect the rule of this year is I know last year when we were talking about winding up the year, we are talking about the rule of compounding. And when we are talking about the rule of compounding is no matter the amount of money we are making here, we have to accept it. Hata kama ni 100, hata kama ni $200, we are using that $200 to compound it. So the rule of this year is make sure you're withdrawing your money. Make sure you're compounding and withdrawing your money. So I don't want you mtu anaunda pesa na anakaa hapa hivi ya withdraw money. So I want to see the thing is this year mwache kupost zile chats. Unaona zile chats unapostingi mnanitumia pale chats. I want you mlikuwa mnanipostia withdrawals. You see, withdrawals from your account, like show me the money imefika kwa account. That's the only thing you can post and motivate someone else to do forex. Lakini sitaki kuona chats uniambie I've got this. I want to see those withdrawals. I want to see those challenges of withdrawals. 18 likes, guys. We have more than 30 people on the live stream on YouTube. Hit that like button to figure more than 20 likes, and then we end up this live stream. Two more likes. Can GBP point reverse and continue white because it has broken out for 1 hour? Let me see. No, we are waiting it. Tunangoja this market irudi kwa this area. Tunangoja irudi these areas. These are the areas we are looking for more buys. Tumeongoja. And again, kuna kaizone kako hapa juu, but now I go for the second option. You have the first option, I normally go for the second option. So Sponge, I'm waiting for this, the only possible area, giving us a continuation of a bullish trend over head and shoulder this area. Guys, hit that like button. We have more than 18 people. Two more likes, and then we end the live stream. Uje comment, umekuwa kwa live stream, uje hit that like button. Hey guys, bana, pana mnatakaje? Simu hit that like button bana. Uje comment, ujafanya nini na tuko hapo hivyo. Okay. Na tumefika 20. Thank you guys for joining. Nashukuru. Thank you so much. Bye and have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow on tomorrow's live stream. And make sure that you share this YouTube channel, share it to your friend. Make sure that you tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, recommend them. Yeah. That. Sponge Mpole anasema chats. Before we end, let me just share the chats and then nikuonesha hiyo zone nakwambia. This is the zone nasema. This is the same zone I'm still waiting for GBP Yeah, this is the zone naongoja. I know there's this zone iko hapo hivi bado breakout and latest hapa, but I'm waiting for this. This is the only zone ngeza angalia. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.